In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the official version of iTunes directly from Apple's website. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for iTunes Download. Open the official Apple website that says Downloads iTunes for Windows. When the website opens, here you'll see the option to download the Windows 64-bit version. Click the download button and the installer will begin downloading to your computer. The file is around 128 megabytes, so wait until it finishes downloading. After the download is complete, right-click and open the installer. iTunes Setup Wizard will start loading. When it opens, click Next on the welcome screen. Here, uncheck second option because it will use iTunes to play audio files. And this is the address where iTunes will be installed. You can change it if you want. Once everything is done, click Install. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, simply click Yes to continue. Windows will now install iTunes on your computer. This usually takes only a minute or two. Once the installation is finished, you will see iTunes on our desktop. Now click Finish. You will see license agreements. Read them if you want, and then click Agree. iTunes will open automatically for the first time. You may be asked to accept Apple's software license agreement. Click Agree. Wait a few seconds, and iTunes will be ready to use. You can also sign in with your Apple ID. Go to Account, then Sign In. And then enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. You can also create a new Apple ID if you want. You can manage your iPhone or iPad by simply connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Within a few moments, your device will appear in iTunes, allowing you to back up your data, sync music, and photos. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.